You are now tuning into Audio Ocean, where every wave tells a story. Atmospheric water generators and how to build one by Waterwise Innovations. Introduction: The quest for water, a global challenge. In the vast tapestry of our blue planet, imagine a panoramic view of Earth from space, a magnificent blue orb hinting at the abundance of water that sustains all forms of life. Yet as we zoom in, the reality shifts. Vast stretches of land lay parched under the unforgiving sun, rivers run dry, and once thriving communities struggle for a single drop of this life-giving resource. This is the unfolding story of our global water crisis, a challenge that defines our time and demands innovative solutions. A precarious balance: water, the elixir of life, is in peril. Across continents, from the sprawling savannas of Africa to the bustling cities of Asia, the scarcity of clean, potable water is not just an inconvenience, it's a dire threat to life and prosperity. Climate change exacerbates this plight, altering weather patterns, drying up rivers, and turning fertile lands into deserts. The statistics are alarming. Millions face water scarcity, and the numbers are only rising. The human and ecological toll. The impact of this crisis is profound and far-reaching. Communities grapple with dwindling supplies, agriculture falters, ecosystems collapse, and economic instability grows. The quest for water can be arduous, often a daily struggle for survival. Women and children trek miles to fetch water, often from sources that are barely fit for consumption. The toll is not just physical, it's a burden that stifles education, health, and progress. A glimmer of hope, harnessing the skies. In this precarious landscape, there emerges a beacon of hope, a technology that seems almost as miraculous as the first raindrops quenching the thirsty earth. Atmospheric water generators, AWGs, offer a promise of relief, a way to extract water from the air itself. This marvel of ingenuity taps into the endless cycle of water vapor, turning humidity into a resource that could quench the thirst of millions. Journey through innovation and possibility. As we embark on this journey through atmospheric water generators, harnessing the skies, we delve into the heart of this crisis and the innovation that offers a way forward. This guide is more than a technical manual. It's a voyage from understanding the depths of our water challenges to exploring the heights of human ingenuity in solving them. We unravel the science behind AWGs, chart the course of their evolution, and guide you through selecting, building, and maintaining these life-sustaining systems. Join us in this exploration, a narrative that intertwines the urgency of our global water needs with the promise of a solution as boundless as the air we breathe. This is a tale of challenge and hope, of technology and resilience, and ultimately of our unyielding quest for water, the source of all life. Chapter 1: The Water Crisis, Confronting a Thirsty World. The stark reality of global water scarcity. Our planet, seemingly abundant in water with its vast oceans and rivers, faces a paradoxical challenge: acute freshwater scarcity. Less than 3% of the world's water is fresh, and a fraction of that is accessible for human use. This scarcity is not uniformly distributed. Some regions grapple with severe droughts, while others enjoy plentiful supplies. This chapter explores the stark realities of water scarcity, highlighting regions like sub-Saharan Africa, where the lack of water profoundly affects daily life, contrasting with water-abundant areas like the Amazon basin. Climate change, exacerbating water challenges. The changing climate has dramatically altered traditional rainfall patterns, leading to more severe and frequent droughts in areas like California and unpredictable monsoon patterns in South Asia. The impact of melting glaciers on freshwater sources is profound. As glaciers retreat, rivers fed by glacial meltwater, like the Yangtze and the Ganges, face decreasing flows, affecting millions who rely on them. Agriculture. At the water crisis frontline, agriculture, the largest consumer of global freshwater, is significantly affected by water scarcity. The chapter discusses the impact of insufficient water on crop yields and farming practices, with examples from California's Central Valley to India's rice farms. Water scarcity not only affects food production, but also has broader implications for food security and economic stability in agricultural communities. Societal impact of water shortage. Water scarcity extends its impact beyond agriculture, affecting various aspects of society. Health crises due to inadequate sanitation and the disproportionate burden on women and children, who often bear the responsibility of water collection in many societies, are examined. The chapter brings to light stories from around the world, such as the daily struggles for water in rural Ethiopian communities. The ecological cost of water mismanagement. Freshwater ecosystems rich in biodiversity are under significant threat due to diminishing water levels. The chapter explores how reduced water availability impacts species and habitats, using examples like the decline of migratory fish populations in the Mekong Delta and the drying up of the Aral Sea, once a biodiverse wetland. The imperative for sustainable water management. As the chapter concludes, it emphasizes the urgent need for innovative and sustainable water management solutions. The chapter sets the stage for introducing atmospheric water generation as a potential solution, offering a glimmer of hope in the ongoing struggle against global water scarcity.